Today, in my 7th grade math class, students are deriving the formula for area of a circle. Today, we are investigating the area of a circle and where the formula comes from. So what I would like them to do is decompose the circle and rearrange it into a second two-dimensional shape.
We're learning about parts of a circle and formulas such as rectangle triangle, like formulas of a rectangle, triangle, and parallelogram and trapezoid and square.
Ms. Cedar today she's teaching us about the circle and how we're going to find the area of a circle and how we are going to figure out the diameter and the radius.
I chose this activity today so my students could establish a conceptual understanding for the formula, A equals pi r squared, which is the formula for a circle. So often we teach them the tricks or algorithms or formulas and they don't understand the why to why we use those. I feel like my students will respond best to this activity because it gives them control of their learning and the process of why the formula will work. What they'll do is they'll take the circle, which is a two-dimensional shape, they're going to cut it, decompose it, rearrange it into a parallelogram, and then be able to find the area of that parallelogram, which will then give them the formula for area of a circle.
In the future, we might become something where an engineer or something, and we have to, say we build cars, we'd have to figure out the right size for tires or radiator.
I'll know when my students got it by realizing that the base of a parallelogram is actually half the circumference of a circle and that the height of the parallelogram is actually the radius of the circle. So they'll be able to make the connection between the area of a parallelogram and the area of a circle. I enjoy being a math teacher because so often when you teach them something conceptually, you actually see the light bulb going off and you can actually see the understanding of why we do the things we do in math class. And I think that just is so important and it's fun to see.